they form what? When two lines intersect, what do they form? Right? They form an X. They form vertical angles, and they form actually how many angles?
4.
Okay, so 4 angles are formed, and then each of these would be considered, hold your arms up so I can show this real quick. Each of these would be considered what? Linear pair. Opposite rays make a linear pair, so we talked about linear pair. And these two angles were what? Vertical. Okay, what are these two? Adjacent, also called a linear pair. Okay, so those were the bunch of the terms. And so I'm going to hand out these little cards real quick. You probably won't get the same one I gave you yesterday, just randomly hand these out. If I give you a card, you're just going to stand up. You might not all have one, but some of you were lucky enough to get one yesterday, right?
Oh, I know.
I won't make you stand up since you can barely walk today. Okay, so stand up and kind of make like a circle, like even just a half circle, so you can kind of see each other's words. So stand up if you have a card. And come up front here, kind of by me. Make like, and that way the people that don't have one can still see. Alex wearing his, that's fine. If you want to wear it, you can. Look at that smile with his.
Wow, we got a whole 3 people without them.
Okay, so the first one I want to hold up is congruent. So,
Oh man, me first.
all right, Mason's congruent. So look at your words, and you can kind of show them so these guys can see them too. Look at your words and think, could I belong to him? Could I belong to congruent? If you think you belong to congruent, go stand by him.
I have children.
Okay, so we have, the ones that chose to stand by him were vertical. Explain why you're standing by him.
Because you got 2 verticals and they're congruent, like vertical angles, they're congruent.
Okay, vertical angles are congruent, okay? Alec, you're standing there, you have right. Why are you standing there?
Because 2 right angles could be congruent.
Okay, 2 right angles could be congruent, good. And if you can justify why you're there, you're probably right, okay, very good. Okay, let's go to another word. Let's go to right. Who thinks they would kind of belong with the right angle? Like, what angles, you know what I mean? What do you have? Complementary, okay? 2 complementary angles form a right angle, very good. Okay, let's go with your adjacent. What angles could be adjacent? Anybody go with adjacent?
I think I'll go with it. I know you can't see it, but I'm with him.
Are you with him?
Yep.
Okay, what do you say? What's yours say? So tell me why you're standing there.
Because adjacent is kind of like one has to be up to, so one has to be like a cube, right?
Not necessarily, but obtuse angles could be adjacent. So you're okay to stand there. What do you have?
Linear pairs.
Linear pair.
Because like no form of linear pair.
All right, 2 adjacent angles put together for a linear pair. Very good.
2 adjacent angles together form a straight.
Good.
And 2 acute angles could be adjacent.
2 acute angles could be adjacent. Okay, so we'll go with him. Non-adjacent. Who thinks they could be with non-adjacent? Okay.
Vertical, they don't touch.
Very good. Vertical angles do not touch. Anybody else want to go with non-adjacent? Could acute angles be non-adjacent? Yeah. Could obtuse angles be non-adjacent? Okay, so we could have quite a few of you there. Who haven't we touched upon as far as any of those terms? Everybody's kind of done. Oh, let's supplementary. Who could go with supplementary?
It's hard.
Wow.
I think so, maybe.
Oh, we got quite a few of you. So if you're over there, tell me why you're there. So, Carter, why are you standing there? What do you have?
Linear pairs is form of linear pair.
Supplementary angles are form a linear pair. Good, right?
Because they could be supplementary.
2 right angles could be supplementary. Would they be congruent then?
Wrong answer.
If 2 right angles are supplementary, would they be congruent?
Oh, no.
Good. 2 right angles are going to be supplementary. They're congruent. 90-90. Okay, good. Why are you there?
I'm not sure to be honest.
Okay, the word was supplementary, and you have the word what?
Congruent.
So could supplementary angles be congruent?
Thing?
Yes.
Yeah, if they're what?
90.
They're both 90 degrees, good, and what do you have?
I have straight,
And why are you there?
because supplementary and straight are both 180 degrees.
Perfect, okay, good, and you're there?
Yep, you have obtuse, because supplementary has only obtuse angles and, well, I guess you can have. Obtuse angles are always supplementary, I guess.
Two angles are always supplementary?
No.
I think, wait, anybody know what he's trying to,
Like, if you have an obtuse, or supplementary angles can have an obtuse.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's what.
supplementary angles can have an obtuse and cube, very good, okay. All right, and are you standing there?
Yeah, I have a cube, like what you said, I'd go with obtuse.
Okay, and you're not there? Okay. Okay, any other words that we haven't touched upon? Okay, good job, you can go ahead and give me those, and then you can sit down.